Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Helm charts for Kubernetes services on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading Helm charts for Kubernetes services on your VPS, ensure you have access to your VPS terminal. First, connect to your VPS using SSH. Use the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP to establish the connection. Replace username with your actual username and your _VPS_IP with your VPS's IP address. Once logged in, verify that you have Kubernetes installed on your VPS. You can do this by running the command kubectl version. Next, check if Helm is installed. Run the command Helm version to confirm its presence. If Helm is not installed, you need to install it. Visit the official Helm website to find the latest installation instructions. Follow those instructions to set up Helm on your VPS. After Helm is installed, you should add a Helm repository. For popular charts, add the Bitnami repository with the command Helm repo at Bitnami https://charts.bitnami.com/bitnami. Update your Helm repositories using Helm repo update to ensure you have the latest charts. To search for a specific chart, use the command Helm search repo chart_name. Replace chart_name with your desired Kubernetes service, such as Nginx or MySQL. Once you find the chart you want, download it using the command Helm pull repo/chart_name. Be sure to replace repo/chart_name with the correct syntax for the chosen chart. After the download completes, you can see the chart in your current directory. To install the downloaded chart, use the command Helm install release_name path_to_chart. Replace release_name with a name for your deployment and path_to_chart with the downloaded chart's file name. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed a Helm chart on your VPS. You can now manage the Kubernetes service through Helm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.